Hare Krishna. The practice of Krishna consciousness should not be accepted for relief from material sufferings. Most people nowadays come to temple or go to yoga studio or go to a park in the morning for some pranayama or yoga to get rid of the stress and tension in life. And they don't progress much beyond that. Whereas Krishna consciousness, it's a practice which has to be accepted wholeheartedly, not just as a lifestyle, but as a life's goal. Because you will see what to speak of material world and spiritual world. Even if you see within this material world, the lifestyle of the devotees and the lifestyle of those who are not devotees. You can see we sleep early and rise early, whereas non-devotees sleep extremely late at night and they are absorbed in night activities, which are tamoguni activities. The beer bars and brothels and liquor shops are open at night and they are hearing rock music. So their activities are different. Devotees' activities are different. And devotees take a bath in the early morning and wear fresh dress and come for the worship of the Lord and worship of the Acharya. And those who are non-devotees, they sometimes don't take bath also many days. Isn't it? And the type of food that the devotee eats is a harmless food without causing unnecessary torture for the other living beings. And that food is offered to Lord with love. And devotees eat the divine food or sanctified food. While the non-devotees delight their tongues by torturing the other poor innocent creatures. And without reference to Lord, they eat that food. And the life goal for a devotee is to serve, satisfy and please Hari, Guru and Vaishnavas. Making this as the prime goal, devotees use their kaya, vacha, manasa in different type of chestas. Chesta means endeavor. They make efforts with their body, mind and words to serve, satisfy and please Hari, Guru and Vaishnavas. Making this sublime, selfless goal, devotees work day and night, printing books and distributing books and doing Harinam Sankirtan, distributing prasad, worshipping the deity, cooking in the kitchen, preaching, connecting the suffering souls to the Lord's lotus feet, such activities. On the other hand, those who are not devotees, for them, they have made money their God. Money is their ultimate goal. For devotees, Krishna is the goal. Because they know money is Mrs. Krishna. Isn't it? So they have made Mrs. Krishna their goal. Who? Non-devotees. They only want Sita. They don't want Rama. But devotees, when they go for Rama, Sita comes automatically. Sita and Ram, Lakshmi and Narayan together. And devotees are worshipping the Lord in the deity room. You will find there is Chandan and Aguru. And devotees' bodies are also becoming fragrant by touch with the Lord's service. And non-devotees' bodies are smelling with smoke and liquor. So you can see in this world itself, the lifestyle of the devotees and the lifestyle of the non-devotees, one should compare. So you decide what quality of desires do you want to develop in this life. A naughty child doesn't want to get up from the bed in the morning and considers bathing and dressing as burdensome. On the other hand, an enthusiastic child will jump from the bed and take a bath and wear fresh dress and go to the school. Similarly, the practice of Krishna consciousness may be burdensome for those who want to go on with their materialistic pursuits. But Krishna consciousness is a blissful, welcomeable experience for a sincere devotee who knows that I am right now changing the gear. What is the change of gear? Changing from the quality of material desires to quality of spiritual desires. So we want to give up the crow-like desires and adopt swan-like desires. So the swan drinks pure milk, lives in Manasarovar lake in crystal clear waters, whereas the crows are always sitting as a group in the dustbin, pulling out garbage and stinking garbage and dead rats and things like that. So we have the choice to improve the quality of our desires in this lifetime from our birth to death. You can improve the quality of your desires, your thought process, your aspirations, the items that you use in your life and your lifestyle. And such a lifestyle is made very easy when one focuses on the most vital principle of spiritual life, which is the chanting of the holy name and hearing of the Srimad Bhagavatam. So when one does this on a regular basis, this two type of hearing the name and hearing the fame, it awakens the sleeping soul to that highest quality of lifestyle, which is the purest lifestyle, the spiritual lifestyle in Vishuddha Sattva. So once we have even a little bit of taste for it, we walk in that direction, it will be very purifying, uplifting and reinstating the soul in his true glory. On the other hand, one who is stuck on the material plane, going on and on with the chase after the mirage of sense gratification, it is like a man who is extremely thirsty is craving for salt. How foolish it is. Already he is thirsty, you put salt in the throat, you will only run dry. You are not going to get water, drinking water in this world. The real water for the soul is the holy name and the holy fame of the Lord. So, once the soul ascertains what I want to pursue, then that pursuit will be meaningful, it will be joyful, it will be productive, and then he can be focused in that goal. Because only when you burn a dry grass, it immediately burns. Or only when you focus the lens in a focal point, then it burns a paper. So, in the same manner, only when our consciousness is focused on a particular goal, without wavering the mind, then we can attain that ultimate goal very swiftly, very easily, without much dragging in that goal. But at the moment, because we are shuttling between these two desires, material desires and spiritual desires, back and forth, it's like keeping two legs in two boats. So we are struggling to balance ourselves. So better that we keep both our legs in the spiritual boat, and then we will be safe, secure and sheltered, and our chanting of the holy name will purify our mind and heart very quickly, reaching us to the ultimate goal promised in the scriptures, which one should actually accept with transcendental faith. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees or ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyaeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrinda ki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, नामाचार्य हरिदास ठाकुर की